Hey guys, goldfries here, and this is the EOS R. As you can see right now, it has an EFS lens mounted on it because the EOS R here, it has 3 adapters, and this is one of them. And in this adapter, it works with EFS and EF lenses. So for those of you who are coming from Canon's APS-C system, you don't have to worry about your EFS lens not being usable. But the thing about the EFS lens to be used on the EOS R system is that it will be cropped automatically. So if you are using 1018 and adapted to the EOS R, it will be like a 16mm. Now, as you know, this is not a review, it's just a quick hands-on session. So the EOS R here, as you can see, has an LCD on top, pretty much like the other competitor model, and you don't see that on Sony and Fuji's mirrorless. This is a good thing. The button here is for touch and swipe, and you notice there's a sensor over here, dials on top here, and over here this is where you change mode. And it has touchscreen, and what I like about it is that it has a flip LCD, which is great for looking at what you're doing. Currently, I did not enable the screen. Let me enable it. Yeah, so it's enabled right now. So that's me recording it at the launch event. So there you have it, the EOS R from Canon, which is their latest mirrorless model, having a full frame sensor with 30 megapixels. Right, so that's it for this video for now. Not a review, just a brief hands-on session for you to see the EOS R. Let's have a look at the bottom before I end this. There's a sample unit, battery, and all. Alright, great stuff from Canon, and I look forward to hopefully get a unit to do further testing. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my coming videos. Bye bye.